be talking about multiplication using Vedic maths. As you must have seen my previous videos, there we were talking about multiplication above the base value, below base value, with 999, with 111. But this particular multiplication can be applied for all the cases. The sutra that we'll be using over here is Udharva Tiryak Bhyam. It means, Udharva means khada, Tiryak means crosswise. It means vertically and diagonally. So the operation which we are talking over here will be vertical and diagonal multiplication. The example here we have taken is, the first two example are 2-digit number, and the other two example which we have taken is a 3-digit number. Now let's start with the 2-digit multiplication, that is 23 into 48. Okay. Now when we talk about 2-digit multiplication, so suppose we have A, B, C, D. The only trick which we have to remember is vertically and diagonally. We talked about two things. हमने दो चीजों की बात की, एक diagonal, दूसरा vertical. This is vertical. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? B into D. Next we'll go for diagonal. So that is AD plus BC, and the third will be AC. It means for 2-digit multiplication we just have 3 segments. The first is vertical, the second is crosswise, and the third is again vertical. So let's look up into how it can be implemented for this particular case. Now from the very first we start with vertical. So 8 into 3, that is 24. The second part is 8 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Okay, and the third part will be 4 into 2. So let's make out the values in each particular section. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 4 3s are 12, and this 8 3s are 24. So we have 8, 28 and 24. Identifying the overflow in each case, we retain 4 over here, 2 हमारा overflow है, 28 में 2 ऐड हो जाएगा, 30 हो जाएगा. So we are keeping 30 over here and 8. We have 4, 0 has to be retained, 3 is the overflow, and 8 plus 3 is 11. So our final answer is 1104. Okay, so we have 1104. Taking the next example, that is 84 into 26. We use the same rule. First will be vertical, then diagonal, then vertical. So 84 and 26. First is vertical. 4 into 6, that is 24. The second will be diagonally, crosswise, 8 into 6 plus 2 into 4, and the third will be 8 into 2. So that will be 8 2s are 16, 6 8s are 48, 4 2s are 8, and here just aligning to right as 6 4s are 24. We have 16, 56 and 24. Identifying the overflow in each case, we have 4, 56 plus 2, that is 58. 8 is to be retained over here, 5 will be overflow, and 16 plus 5 is 21. So the final answer will be 2184. Okay, so we have the final answer as 2184. So we have have done with the 2-digit numbers and we have discussed 2 examples. Now we'll take the case of 3-digit number. So we have 567 into 123. Now the same we have to apply the concept Udharva Tiryakbhyam, that is vertically and diagonally. Vertically means this is the first digit, second digit, third digit. This is the second multiplier, first digit, second digit, third digit. सबसे पहले हम करेंगे सबसे एक्सट्रीम वाले राइट वैल्यूज, फिर इन दोनों को, फिर इनको, फिर इनको, and this will be the last one. Okay, this rule you have to keep in mind. Once you have this particular rule in your mind, you can easily go for the multiplication. So we start with the multiplication. We have 567 into 123. We start from the right. What does the right says? Very last digit का vertical multiplication. So that will be 7 into 3. Next, आखिरी के 2 डिजिट हमें लेने हैं, डायगोनली मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 6 into 3 plus 7 into 2. So 7 3s is 21. This will be 18 plus 14, that is 32. Next will be 5 into 3 plus 7 into 1 plus 6 into 2. So we have 5 3s are 15, 7 1s are 7, 6 2s are 12. So that will be 22 plus 12, that is 34. Next, coming to the next step, that is this one. So we have 5 2s are plus 6 1s are. So we have 5 2s are 10 plus 6, that is 16. Coming to the very last digit of the extreme, so we have the vertical, so that is 5 into 1, that is 5. Now we have identified the calculation values in each particular segment. So we have 5, 16, 34, 32 and 21. ओवरफ्लो को अकोमोडेट करते जाएंगे. 2 ओवरफ्लो हो जाएगा, यहाँ ये हो जाएगा 34, यहाँ से बचेगा 1. 34 है, we have to keep 3 over here, oh sorry 4 over here, 3 will be overflow, that will be 37. So 7 will be kept over here, 3 will be added here, so 16 plus 3 is 19. 9 will be kept over here and 1 will be added over here. So the final answer will come out to be 69741. 69741. Taking the last example of 3-digit multiplication, that is 421 into 325. We write it in the pattern of the dot. We have 421, 325. Starting from the very right portion, we have vertical, so that will be 5 into 1 is 5. Next, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, so that will be 12. Next, 4 5s are 20, 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4, so that will be 27. Next is 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, so that is 14. And the very last value, that is 4 3s are 12. So we have 12, 14, 27, 12 and 5. Making out the overflow, we have 5 over here, 12 का 1 यहाँ ऐड हो जाएगा, तो 28 हो जाएगा, 2 यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, 8 को हम यहीं रख लेंगे, 2 यहाँ चला जाएगा, so that will be 16, 1 यहाँ चला जाएगा, so that will be 12 plus 1, that is 13. So the final answer is 136825. So we have 136825. So we have done with the multiplication of 2-digit and 3-digit values. And what we have seen is that when we are talking about 2-digit, so अगर हमने ये 2-digit value लिया है तो ये आपके 3 steps होंगे. This is the first, this is the second and this is the third. Same way अगर हम 3-digit multiplication की बात कर रहे हैं, सबसे पहले आखिरी 2 digit, फिर 2 numbers को diagonally करेंगे, फिर तीनों को ले लेंगे इस पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न में, फिर हम आखिरी के जो पहले के जो 2 डिजिट हैं उनको फिर क्रॉस करेंगे और सबसे लेफ्ट वाला जो डिजिट है उसको हम वर्टिकली मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो दिस वे वी वाइंड अप विद द कंसेप्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड वी हैव डन विद द 2 digit and the 3 digit multiplication over here. Thanks a lot.